Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. I have another great Instant Pot recipe for you today, and it is a garlic pepperoncini beef. This is an easy roast to make, and it's gonna taste amazing. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna saute the beef. So hit your saute button and go ahead and add in a couple tablespoons of oil into your Instant Pot and let it heat up. And I'm using vegetable oil here, just a personal preference. And while this is heating up, I'll tell you what else is in there. 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Yeah, I said chicken stock. I love the way chicken stock flavors beef. Just a personal preference. You could use beef stock. I have about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. It's very roughly chopped. Then we're gonna add in a whole jar of pepperoncini peppers. And that's right, I said the whole jar. It's a 10-ounce jar. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to simply sear off the beef. So I like to sear it on all sides. So just gonna take a few minutes to do that. When it gets seared off, go ahead and add in your garlic. Now, I just want to take a second to talk about the cut of beef here. I use a top round, I believe this is, and it is a very lean cut of beef. This would also work well with the chuck roast or sirloin roast, so whatever you have works well. So now, again, the whole jar, the whole 10-ounce jar of the peppers are gonna go in here. Those, literally, you're going to dump the peppers and the liquid all in, just dump it all in. Now I got this recipe years ago on my message board, copycatchat.com, and the recipe was written for a slow cooker, but I wanted to transform it to an Instant Pot recipe, so this is my Instant Pot version of it. So 1.5 cups of, again, chicken stock go in here. Now I'm gonna cook this manually. Now manual is high pressure, so I'm gonna cook this for 70 minutes. Now you could use I believe they have a meat or stew setting. You could use that if you like. I prefer to do it manually. It's my personal preference. Now I did a quick release on the Instant Pot, and you can see that the pepperoncini stay really well intact. So they're fantastic. And when you pull this out, it's wonderful and it's tender. I'm gonna show you a sandwich that I did with this. Now I just sliced it up, added some cheese, and toasted it all together. So there you go. And I hope you enjoy this recipe for my garlic pepperoncini beef. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.